What's up, YouTube? This is the Barberilluminati one more time with another fresh one. In today's video, we have a basic ABC high skin fit with all detachable blades. That's it. Shout out to Custom Made Barbershop in Jacksonville, Florida. What's up? All right, let's get to the video, okay? Hey, if you're new to the channel, this is the time to subscribe right now. Thank you. All right, let me adjust my glasses. All right, let's get to work. That's it. That's the usual. All right, as you already know my style, a large portion of the haircut has already been completed. I just reserve a portion to share my all detachable blade fitting techniques with you guys. Nothing more, nothing less. Miguel Torres, thank you for watching. Betty Boobs, I see you. Who else? If I forgot anybody, I'm sorry. We are pressing for time. We gotta go. Barberilluminati. Let's go! I'm going to be using the same steps as usual. Just the same old. I'm not doing anything different here. Same old steps. The channel is growing. Oh, did I say? I announced that when I hit 1 million subscribers, let me make it clear. I'm going to say that over and over and over. Okay? Did you know when I hit 1 million subscribers, I will be giving away a Ferrari. A brand new Ferrari. With a Ferrari watch to match, just like this one. I don't know if you guys can see. Bingo. That's it. It's going to be no YouTuber promised a Ferrari before. None. If it's one of my customers that doing the Ferrari, good. It doesn't matter to me. 1 million subscribers, I'm going to hold this guy a Ferrari. That's right. You know what to do. Do it. This video is being recorded at Marvelous Barber School, LLC in Waukegan, Illinois. We are not hard to find. The channel is growing, getting new subscribers every day. The goal is 1 million subscribers. 1 mil. After that, we're going to the moon. Boom. All right, first guideline with the OA blade, as usual. This is on target. Move the camera this way a little bit. Here we go. First guideline, OA. 000 into the OA as usual. You can easily predict what I'm going to do next. If you watch the channel regularly, you know what my next move going to be. 50 below the 000. Then the slim line to make sure the bottom line is fairly out of there. This video is going to be quick. I'm pressing for time. We are looking good. Alright, I'm gonna create my second guideline with I wouldn't call it a guideline really. I'm gonna break down the bulk with the 3.5, nice and high. As you can see, I'm not digging in. I'll let the blade roll into the hair. I'm just breaking down the bulk. And I'm gonna keep dropping in sizes. Now, this is my 2. Below the 3.5. I'm right under there. Three and a half into the 2 as usual. One and a half into the 2 as usual. 1A into the 1.5. As usual. Shout out to Larry's Barber College on the south side of Chicago. Thank you for using my material for teaching purposes. Boom. The 1 into the 1A. The OA into the 1. The 000, just a dust of it, not much. We are looking good. Now, I'm going to repeat some of the steps, starting with the 2 blade and work my way down one more time. To make sure the blade is the blend is nice and polished. Go with my number 2 down to the 1.5 one more time. Get in there. Yeah, the more and more I use the OCTANE, I'm beginning to like it very much. All the flaws that I thought it has, it doesn't matter anymore. I make the clipper work for me. How about that? This is the 1/8 into the 1.5. The 1. A little bit of the OA, very light. Boom. We are looking good. Now, me being a perfectionist that I am, I'm going to do a little touch up, you know, just to perfect the blend. By the way, this is the 1/8 I have here. I'm squeezing it into the 1.5 one more time to make sure the blend is perfect. I intend to do a good job, you know. They say nothing is perfect in this world. That's a lie. I don't know, wrote that. You know who says nothing is perfect in this world? You don't know?
No.
What else you don't know? All right. I'm going to have to find out who says nothing is perfect in this world. Okay. I'm going to ask Google, is something perfect out here? And they say, hey, Barberilluminati, your haircut. I said, all right. This is 3.5. I'm working my transition into the top. Maybe a little bit of the 2. A dust of the 1.5. Boom. All right. Y'all give me just a minute, please. I'll be right over there. All right, we're looking good. All right, I'm gonna put a little, let me touch up the top a little bit to make sure everything is cool before I wrap it up. Adjust the camera a bit. A little bit of H2O. By the way, I use holy water only. When I wet the hair, it's not regular water. Thank you. Holy water. I'm not selling it yet. I'm not selling the holy water yet. It's not available to the public yet. Not yet. You know? Not yet. So don't contact me about holy water now. It's not for sale. Okay, please. Alright, I'm going to put a little suavecito pomade just to spice things up a little. After that, we're going to wrap this up. Fortunately, the hair is wet. We got to dry it. We're going to start over. Boom. Here we go. Apply the pomade one more time. Okay, I'll take a bit off on this side. Here we go. Alright YouTube, this is the cut. If you watch the video all the way this far, you really are a true fan. That's it. I can't find my neck duster. So alright, YouTube, this is a cut. Feel free to look me up on Instagram, Barberilluminati. Anything you gotta say to the camera?
Good job.
Oh, I
Happy.
see.
Always happy.
Oh, I see. Happiness is just a haircut.